Let's learn 100 most common jobs and professions, Part B, in English. Transport and travel jobs. Pilot. Pilots fly aeroplanes to different countries. Flight attendant. Flight attendants look after passengers during flights. Taxi driver. Taxi drivers take people where they need to go. Train driver. Train drivers operate trains on railways. Bus driver. Bus drivers drive buses around the city. Lorry driver. Lorry drivers transport goods across long distances. Delivery driver. Delivery drivers bring parcels to homes and businesses. Travel agent. Travel agents help people book holidays and trips. Agriculture and environment jobs. Farmer. Farmers grow crops and look after animals. Gardener. Gardeners plant flowers and keep gardens tidy. Zookeeper. Zookeepers care for animals in zoos. Environmental scientist. Environmental scientists study the environment and pollution. Forester. Foresters protect and manage forests and woodlands. Skilled and industrial jobs. Factory worker. Factory workers make goods using machines. Welder. Welders join pieces of metal together using heat. Machine operator. Machine operators control heavy equipment in factories. Assembler. Assemblers put parts together to build products. Miner. Miners work underground to extract coal or minerals. Law and government jobs. Lawyer. Lawyers give legal advice and represent people in court. Judge. Judges decide cases in court and make rulings. Solicitor. Solicitors handle legal paperwork and client advice. Politician. Politicians make decisions in the government. Civil servant. Civil servants work in public services for the government. Beauty and fitness jobs. Hairdresser. Hairdressers cut and style people's hair. Barber. Barbers give haircuts and shaves to men. Beautician. Beauticians provide beauty treatments for clients. Makeup artist. Makeup artists apply makeup for events or performances. Personal trainer. Personal trainers help people achieve their fitness goals. Fitness instructor. Fitness instructors lead group exercise sessions. Animal care jobs. Dog groomer. Dog groomers wash and trim dogs' fur. Animal trainer. Animal trainers teach animals to follow commands. Pet sitter. Pet sitters look after pets while the owners are away. Animal shelter worker. Animal shelter workers care for rescued pets. Communication and media jobs. Translator. Translators convert written text into another language. Interpreter. Interpreters translate spoken language between people. Sign language interpreter. Sign language interpreters help deaf people communicate. Content creator. Content creators make videos, blogs, and posts online. Social media manager. Social media managers handle accounts for businesses. Cleaning and maintenance jobs. Cleaner. Cleaners keep homes and buildings tidy. Janitor. Janitors maintain cleanliness in schools and offices. Window cleaner. Window cleaners wash windows on tall buildings. Caretaker. Caretakers look after school or office buildings. Other useful jobs. Postman and postwoman. Postmen deliver letters and parcels every day. Warehouse operative. Warehouse operatives pack, organize, and move stock. Event planner. Event planners organize parties, weddings, and conferences. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs start and manage their own businesses. Volunteer. Volunteers work to help others without being paid. Auctioneer. Auctioneers sell items to the highest bidder at auctions. Estate agent. Estate agents help people buy, sell, or rent properties. Driving instructor. Driving instructors teach people how to drive safely. Well done! You've now learned 100 of the most common jobs and professions in British English. Like this video, leave a comment below, download the worksheet, and subscribe for more English learning resources.